Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see when TikTok video was posted. So if you have posted a TikTok video for a while and you want to know the date of that specific video, so whenever you want to you have posted that specific video, you guys can check out this by following my method. So before wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, you have to just simply open up TikTok application on your mobile phone. So after opening up the TikTok application on your mobile phone, so assume that I want to check my own videos date. So for that, I have to just simply go to my profile icon by just tapping on below right corner of your profile button. So after tapping on your profile, now you have to just simply open up any of the video of the specific video in which you want to check the date. So what you have to do is just simply open up that specific video. I'm just opening up the second video. So after opening up the video, you guys can be able to see that it is displaying beside the name. It is displaying as the time or date. So you guys can see it is displaying as 7 hours ago. So it's means I have uploaded it today. So let's just look at our past or previous post. So assume that I want to check this previous post. So for that, I have to just simply hit the post. So after hitting that, you guys will be able to see the post date, which is 2/28. Or you the another method is you have to just simply open up the comments of that video, and after tapping on the comments, you guys can be able to see which is below the name. Your date is displaying, which is 2/28, which means second month and 28 date. So in this way, you guys can check out the date of your video, the specific video, at what time you have uploaded the specific video. So assume that if you want to check the date of another person, of that specific person, so what you have to do is just simply go back and simply go to the home button, and here you have to simply go to search bar. In the search bar, you have to simply select any of the account which you want to see the specific date of the video of upload. So for that, you have to simply open up, for example, any of the account. So after searching for that, now what you have to do is you guys can be able to see the dates of that specific video displaying here. You guys can be able to see the first one video is displaying at 11/26/2022. Another video is displaying as 11 hours. So in this way, you guys can check out the specific date of that specific video. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.